So this video is for part B. Okay, so for part B here, if you have done part A, of course you can use the result of part A to help you with part B. Otherwise, I'm going to assume that I'm starting with the graph of y equals to f of half x. Now we all know that when we do transformation, this is always done with the concept of replacing the variable. So we always replace x or we replace y with a transformation. So if I want to get from y equals to half x to y equals to half of x plus 2, what I probably got to do is to replace x with a certain value, right? So if you were to try x probably with like x plus 1, then what you're going to end up with is sorry, let me just write it here, be at the side so it doesn't confuse. So if I were to replace, for example, x with x plus 1, what I'm going to get is I'm going to get half x plus half, well, which may not turn out to be so ideal. So you can see that because the half here does affect how you're going to get the next constant. So in fact, what I'm going to do is to replace x with x plus 4. And you can see that this will give me, in fact, f of half. Now remember, we're replacing x, right? So that puts me a bracket around this x. X becomes this. This becomes f of half x plus 2. Okay? So the actual variable here, the replacement is to replace x with x plus 4, which gives me basically a translation. This is a translation of 4 units in the negative x direction, right? So how do I then do this graph? I mean, quite easily. I'm just going to take all the x coordinates, right, will have to subtract by 4. 2 is going to become negative 2. This 0, 2 is going to become negative 4, 2. And the entire graph is going to translate towards the left side, all right? So let me just draw my graph for fx. This is my y, and this is my x. Okay, apologies for my shaky hands. I'm getting old. This is x equals to 2, right? So it's going to become x equals to negative 2. This is again because I'm starting from f of half x. 4 is going to become 0. So this graph is going to give me something like that. And the horizontal asymptote doesn't change, right? Because we are not really affected by the any horizontal change in the y coordinates, right? And this point here, okay, more or less, I guess. Okay, so this is 0, 0. It's going to become negative 4, 0. Same for this part. And with that, I believe we are done. Okay, so this is the answer for part B. Thank you.